A to Z अल्फ़ाबेट्स। अगर आपको हमारी वीडियो अच्छी लगती है तो हमारी वीडियो को लाइक करें और हमारे चैनल किड्स सिंटू शो को सब्सक्राइब करके अपना प्यार दिखाएं। A for apple, A for apple। B for ball, B for ball। C for cat, C for cat। D for dog, D for dog। E for elephant, E for elephant। F for fish, F for fish। G for grapes, G for grapes। H for house, H for house। I for inkpot, I for inkpot। J for jug, J for jug। K for kite, K for kite। L for lion, L for lion। M for monkey, M for monkey। N for nest, N for nest। O for owl, O for owl। P for parrot, P for parrot। Q for queen, Q for queen। R for rabbit, R for rabbit। S for sheep, S for sheep। T for tiger, T for tiger। U for umbrella, U for umbrella। V for van, V for van। W for watermelon, W for watermelon। X for Xmas tree, X for Xmas tree। Y for yak, Y for yak। Z for zebra, Z for zebra।